What's good, YouTube? This is Rob, back with another video. I have here in front of you the Sony Xperia XA2, and the case that I have next to it is from Tudia. Now this is their slim fit heavy duty merge case for extreme protection, rugged, but it does have a slim dual layer case. For the Sony Xperia XA, I do got it in matte black. You also can get this in what they call a metallic slate, a mint color, and rose gold. So it does got 4 choice of colors. This dual layer design, fuses the premium quality of the polycarbonate outer layer. It has an enhanced thermoplastic polyurethane or TPU rubberized gel skin on the inside. Very lightweight and fits nicely with the Sony Xperia. Now, it does have a nice smooth, I don't want to say felt, but just more a smooth plastic feel. Got the hard matted black shell over the back. It does utilize the 2 layers to incorporate, their safety advantages for both a hard and soft style case. The soft inner TPU absorbs and disperses shocks from most drops. This is a real nice case. It does have a nice lead into the fingerprint sensor. You can tell the camera is very recessed. Check the buttons. The buttons are firm, and the camera button is a lot it protrudes from the case, so it's easy to find. Does have some lip action, so the screen is protected when you lay it face down, and the power button works fine. Let's check the ports. All the openings are open and easily should have no problems. The speaker is not blocking anyway, so the openings are very precise, like always with all Tudia cases. The 3.5mm headphone jack and the microphone opening is very wide and nice, so you shouldn't have any problems getting any kind of headphone jack in there. If you're interested in this case, it is $8.95. I will leave the links and everything down below. Other than that, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, follow me on all other social media for the Tudia Merge case for the Sony Xperia XA. This is Rob. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.